Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 1006. We're opening one box of 1213 Ultimate Memoribilia 12th edition. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended July 21st at 7:59 p.m. According to timeanddate.com, it is currently 11:15 a.m. Wednesday, July 22nd. That's Eastern Time, local time, Toronto, Ontario. One box, 1213 Ultimate Memoribilia. I'd just like to mention we got 7 box breaks ending tonight between 7:30 and 10:30 p.m. We got an Ultimate Vault that ends at 10:30. We've got we have another Ultimate 12th edition ending at 10, and some Artifact 1415 and some Rookie Anthology. Here we go. One box, Ultimate Memoribilia. Get here. There we go. Okay. First card, Luc Robitaille, Emerald, out of 60. Let me just focus a little better here. There we go. Okay, what do we have? Robitaille established a new record for his position with the Kings. Named League All-Star team, also was major part of Los Angeles run Stanley Cup. He was induced in Hockey Hall of Fame at 2009. Oh, Luc Robitaille. Kings, and then the card goes to Kings. Let's see. With the Kings, Point Kings. Second card, Mike Bossy. Oh wow, jersey, a nice seam, and auto out of 19. Beautiful card. Okay, 12th edition. I found this card. The game used Mike Bossy Islanders jersey, authentic Mike Bossy autograph. Nice hit for Islanders. Beautiful card, enshrined. Okay, and third, oh wow, now that is neat. Decades Silver, Solani, Sedin, Thornton, St. Louis, Niedermeyer, and Luongo. Wow, Ultimate Decades. So, wow, I have to take notes here because that card will be randomized. Just a piece of paper. Okay, here we go. So, read it with you guys. We'll get it a little closer. That's better. Okay, so first on card. Found a discarded pieces for game use. Teemu Solani, Ducks. So first on card, Ducks. We'll take our time and do it right. A game use, Henrik Sedin, Vancouver. Then we've got a game use, Joe Thornton, Sharks. Martin St. Louis, Tampa Bay. A game use, Scott Niedermeyer, Ducks again. And Roberto Luongo, Vancouver again. Okay, so let's check what we have in the front here. Okay, so first on card, Solani. And then Sedin. Thornton, third on card for Sharks. St. Louis for Tampa. Niedermeyer for Ducks. And Luongo for Vancouver. Okay, so same order in the front and back. Okay, let me adjust my focus here. Let's go to random.org, which I'm already set up, so I'll bring you guys to my screen. Okay, so in that order, so I'm under the random.org, under the list randomizer. First on card is Ducks, then Vancouver, then Sharks, Tampa, or St. Louis, Ducks again, and Vancouver again. Okay, let's double check, triple check, make sure we got it right. Okay, so let's start in the back. So first on card, we've got Solani for Ducks, Sedin for Vancouver, Thornton for Sharks, third. We've got Martin St. Louis for Tampa, fourth. Scott Niedermayer for Ducks, fifth. And Roberto Luongo, sixth for Vancouver. Check the front again. So Solani first on card for Ducks, Sedin for Vancouver, Thornton for Sharks, St. Louis for Tampa, Niedermayer for Ducks, and Luongo for Vancouver. So here we go. So that's the order front. This is a beautiful card, by the way. Okay, card will be randomized 3 times. Team that's on top the 3rd time wins the card. For those unfamiliar with this procedure, all the information is available on my description pages. So here we go. Randomize once. We've got Sharks on top twice. Ducks is on top and a 3rd time. We've got Vancouver on top. You have randomized this list 3 times. Vancouver wins this card. Okay, so let's do a quick recap of our hits. So Vancouver gets the 6th jersey and patch or prime jersey card out of 24. Second card, Mike Bossy, jersey and auto for Islanders. And a 3rd card, Luc Robitaille for Kings. That concludes our break number 1006. Be sure to check out our other box breaks tonight. More appeal all the time. My name is Joe, and thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.